Hi guys! Let's learn about the food chain in the ocean. So this is our friend slippery fish. Slippery fish, slippery fish, sliding in the water. Slippery fish, slippery fish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh no! He was eaten by an octopus. An octopus swirling in the water. An octopus. An octopus. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh no! He was eaten by a tuna fish. Tuna fish. Flashing in the water, a tuna fish, tuna fish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh no! He was eaten by a great white shark, a great white shark, lurking in the water. A great white shark, a great white shark. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh no! He was eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Bleh. Excuse me. Very good. So these are our friends from the ocean. Bye bye, friends.